Hey friends, if you wish to remove the PuabundlerWIN32 virus on Windows, then please watch this video. So obviously we'll have to run the scan, but I'll tell you which all scans. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Wait for it to load. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scan options, full scan and scan now. But this is not sufficient because this also counts as a malware. So you need to press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Okay. Now click on next, select full scan and click on next. Let this scan finish this problematic virus on your system, and other than that, right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side, select installed apps and then sort by date installed. The latest apps will be on the top. If you find anything problematic that you recently installed, then simply uninstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.